Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Okay, imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone looking for some old childhood photos, and suddenly they're just gone. Maybe you reset the phone or accidentally deleted the folder. Either way, your heart drops. But then you remember you had them backed up on Google Photos. One tap and everything's back. That's exactly what backups do for your website too. But if you've got a backup saved, you're not stuck, you're just one click away from fixing everything. Honestly, I've been there more than once, and what's saved me every time is that I host my sites with YouStable. Their cPanel is clean, easy to use, and restoring a backup takes less time than making a cup of coffee. Seriously, no calling support, no waiting around, just click, restore, and relax. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring your website back to life using cPanel backups. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to Files section and click Backup Wizard. In the first step, Backup or Restore, click the Restore button. You have 4 options to select any one option. Let us select Home Directory. Now, click Choose File. A pop-up window allows you to browse your desktop. Now select the backup file for Home Directory. Click Open. The name of the selected backup file appears here. Click the Upload button. That's it. We have successfully restored the backup of the home directory in cPanel. Thank you for watching.